Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the enhancing the health outcomes and the role of the community pharmacy practices. Enhancing first is the introduction of the community pharmacy. Community pharmacies play a crucial role in the healthcare delivery. They are often the first point of contact for the patient seeking health advice and medication. These presentations will explore how the community pharmacy practice enhances the health outcomes and supports the public health. History of the community pharmacy. The evolution of the community pharmacy has transformed it from a mere dispensing location to healthcare hub. Understanding this history helps us appreciate its current role in promoting the health education and preventive care. Community pharmacies provide a variety of the services including the medications management, health screening and the immunization. These services not only improve the accessibility to care but also enhance the patient adherence to treatment plans. Patient-centered care. Community pharmacies focus on the patient-centered care by tailoring the services to meet the individual need. This approach fosters stronger patient-pharmacist relationships and encourages better communication about health concern and medication use. Next is the role in the chronic disease management. Pharmacists play a vital role in the management of chronic disease such as diabetes and hypertension. They provide education, monitor the patient progress, and adjust the medication regimens to ensure optimal health outcomes. Next is the health promotion activities. Community pharmacy engage in the health promotion activities such as the wellness program and health fairs. These initiatives raise the awareness about preventive measures and encourage the community members to adopt the healthier lifestyles. Next is the collaboration with the healthcare providers. Effective collaboration between community pharmacy and healthcare providers is essential for improving the patient care. By sharing the information, pharmacists can contribute to a more coordinated approach to managing the patient health. Addressing the health disparities, the community pharmacies are uniquely positioned to address the health disparities in the undeserved populations by providing the accessible services and educations. They help the bridge the gap in healthcare access and improve the health equity. Impact of the technology. The integration of the technology in the community pharmacy practice enhance the service delivery tools such as the electronic health records and the telepharmacy facilitate the better communications and ensure that the pharmacist can provide timely and effective care. Patient education and counseling. Education is a fundamental aspect of the community pharmacy practices. Pharmacists provide the counseling on the medication use, potent side effects, and lifestyle modifications, empowering the patients to take an active role in their healthcare decision. Future of the community pharmacy. The future of the community pharmacy is promising with the opportunities for expansions in services and the roles. As healthcare continues to evolve, the pharmacist will play an increasingly important role in promotion the population's health and improving the outcome. Next is the conclusion. In conclusion, community pharmacy practices is vital for enhancing the health outcomes by providing the accessible services, promoting the health educations, and collaborating with the healthcare providers. Pharmacists significantly contribute to the overall well-being of the community. Thank you for watching.